Coleg Cambria came into existence in 2013. Prior to that, we were two separate colleges. It's been quite challenging because we were merging different colleges with different systems together. There were quite a few technological challenges in bringing that together and getting everything into one system. We just found CE were great to work with. We've stayed with them and had that relationship for this length of time, and they're the partner that we go to when we've got a new project, when we need any kind of expertise.
From day one, we've worked with CE across all of our infrastructure, so switches, wireless, even we've done some stuff with some of the service with them as well. So yeah, it's just been a good relationship.
Absolutely one of the most exciting partnerships that I've been fortunate to have over a number of years now. So really, we started with Coleg Cambria myself back in 2006 when I joined CA, so I've been a long-standing customer. But I think in the last 5 years, which has been really key to me, is the kind of innovative and collaboration on new and exciting solutions that we're bringing out. The higher education and further education segment has been actually a key part of the CA Labs journey over the years, because they are a lot of the time the ones that want to look at a different way of consuming technology, of adopting technology. They definitely welcome the opportunity to save time, save cost, increase efficiencies, and we've had some great examples with Coleg Cambria in the last 3 years where we've been able to really remove up to 80-90% of what would be manual, mundane, repetitive kind of configuration tasks. The key one that really stands out to me is probably the adoption of the Cisco networking sort of solution in the refresh project, where we were able to really stand up whole stacks of Cisco Catalyst in 6 minutes.
The installation, roll out the kit was good, and then obviously that led into the insight of all the kit afterwards. You know, we've worked on port counts and making sure we've got the right size stacks and right size switching across the estate. It's obviously driven down purchase costs, driven down electric costs. You know, it's the whole sustainability piece that we're now embarking on as well.
Yeah, I think it was definitely a two-pronged approach with regards to the Chromebook laptop trolleys, where effectively, one, they're continually charging overnight and don't need to be, but then was the mention that you made earlier in the year that actually you're having to unfortunately dispose of quite a lot of Chromebook laptops because of effectively the battery being overcharged and warping.
I think it's really using the base of the technology that we deploy and seeing what can be done with that. So how can we save money? How can we make things more efficient? How can we lesser our emissions? All of those sorts of things. One of the big projects that we've undertaken with the college was a networking refresh, so switching and wireless. Obviously in an education institute like Coleg Cambria, it's really a really important key feature for staff and students.
Technology's always moving along at a fast pace. The latest thing that everyone's talking about is artificial intelligence and AI and how that's working. So we've got a big focus on that at Cambria. Every year there's something new to kind of explore and apply to the educational setting. And what we need to do as a college is to stay really at the bleeding edge of that, on the forefront of it, because this is where students will learn about the technologies that they'll use later on. So it's very important to us. Because of the investment we make in technology, we're in the forefront of colleges for technology.
To say the same feel from them, you know what you're going to get back from them. They're always cutting edge, they're always pushing boundaries and bringing new things to the table for us. So yeah, definitely recommend them to anybody.